Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 Buick Enclave CXL 2X. This one's a cocoa metallic. Under the hood's a 3.6 V6. For our wheels, we've got 20-inch chrome wheels. Tires are in good condition. A cashmere with cocoa accent leather interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch. Buick Enclave CXL badging. A power lift gate. All season floor mats and regular floor mats. Third row seating that does fold down. Captain's chairs for the rear passengers. And we've got rear climate controls. Up front we've got heated mirrors, power windows, a Bose sound system, power seats, nice wood grain steering wheel with wood trim interior, a clock, radio, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmission. This Buick has 71,048 miles. Carfax and service records available online. To view more photos of this Buick, check out feldmanimports.com.